Good morning, class. This morning, you are going to learn how to use Pear Deck. Well, it's a new platform that you might not have used before on a computer, but let's get started. Here, you'll see I'm inside of my Google Classroom in the Classwork tab. I'm going to scroll down to find Math Assignments. Click on Math Assignments, and we see Pear Deck Assignment 1. Click on the link. Now we're going into Pear Deck. Usually you'll see a smiley face, a okay face, and a sad face. Click how you're feeling today. Now let's see what we can do. In this presentation, either the teacher can control the slide or you can control the slide. Today, let's work and see what the students can do by themselves. Notice how you have all of these different colors that you can click. Well, you can click on a color and draw on the slide. You can highlight a word. You can draw a line. You can write text like I did here. Or if you make a mistake, you can always go and erase what you did. Cool, right? Now, let's say you want to put something back and you don't want to redraw it. You can click the undo button. Awesome. But what if you're having trouble reading what's on the slide? Maybe the words are too hard. Guess what? Click on this bottom corner with the book and the sound button. You can listen to the sounds and the words on the screen by clicking the play button. Let's try it.
Daily routine using the number line to 120. Good morning, class. Today we will begin a new routine using the number line to 20.
And guess what else you can do? If you need to, you can listen to this in another language. Click on the book, click on translate, find your language. Let's say we speak Spanish. Click on this button right here, and the document turns to Spanish. Let's listen.
Rutina diaria. Usando la línea numérica la clase 120. Good morning. Hoy comenzaremos una nueva rutina usando la línea numérica 20.
And if you want to turn it back to English, all you have to do is click on this button here. Click the back arrow to go to your assignment again. Let's keep going. Notice how you don't have any of the different colors down below to move. This is a slide that you need to read or click the button to listen to the words. This is a slide where you have dots that you can be able to control. So if you see anything that looks like you can drag or select or draw on, try it. You can't really mess up the slide. Again, we don't have any of those features, so this is a slide that we listen and pay attention to. Objectives. I can learn classroom procedures and build relationships with others. I could read that on my own, but remember, if you can't, where do you go? That's right, the bottom corner. Again, click on the green button down here if you want to listen to it, read it to you. Click on the book. Make sure you have your language. Click on document, and you can also practice listening to it in Spanish if you need to. Click on this button here to go back to the English. The back arrow will take you to the presentation. Click through each of the slides. You can click on the arrow, and it will stop you when you need to participate. How many dots do you see? Guess what you get to do? On your keyboard or iPad, you get to type how many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Type the number 5. That's it. Once you're done, go to the next slide. This is a slide that says students draw anywhere on the slide. How do you see them? Well, guess what? You can practice drawing how you see these dots. Maybe you draw a 10 frame. Maybe you draw exactly what you see. You have the liberty and freedom to draw. Let's keep going. So as you can see, each of the slides will require you to do different things. Take your time, have fun, show your teacher exactly what you know. When you get to a slide like this, make sure that if you click on the link, it might take you to a new website. Click that blue button if it ever comes up. Now, this is very important. We practiced using Jamboard this week. You can move the different shapes around. You can choose to do however it is that you need to based on the directions. If you want to make a copy, watch what I do. Click on the three dots, click the first button, and now you have a copy. But oh no, where's your presentation? You have to go back to your tabs and click on the presentation again. This concludes our review of Pear Deck. Tomorrow, you will be able to go through this with your teacher. If you have any questions, please ask now or wait until tomorrow when your teacher is going to walk you through it. We hope that you enjoyed.